Alright, so I'm done cooking it for like 10 to 12 minutes. So now I'm gonna add in water. So I already know, since I'm making this for a long time, so this is 3 glass amount of water I have added into my dish. And you might wonder about the glass size. This is the size of water glass that I use to drink my water. Right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the lid back on my pressure cooker lid and slide it like that to lock it. So I'm gonna cook it for like 30 minutes. When it's done, I'll come in and add in my beetroot and green chilies, and the dish will be prepared this way. So stay tuned.